What would actually happen if the moon suddenly doubled its current orbital speed? At first, the change might seem subtle. After all, the moon has been orbiting Earth for billions of years in a stable and predictable path, but increasing its orbital speed would fundamentally disrupt the balance that keeps the Earth-Moon system in harmony. To understand the consequences, we need to consider one key principle. Orbital motion depends on the balance between gravitational pull and velocity. The moon stays in orbit because its forward motion is perfectly matched by Earth's gravity. If that speed suddenly doubles, that balance is broken. Instead of maintaining its current orbit, the moon would no longer follow the same curved path around Earth. With significantly higher velocity, it would begin to move into a more elongated trajectory. In many cases, this could push the moon into a higher, more distant orbit, or even cause it to escape Earth's gravitational influence entirely. If the moon moved farther away, the effects on Earth would not be immediate, but they would become noticeable over time. The moon plays a critical role in stabilizing Earth's axial tilt. Without that stabilizing influence, the tilt of Earth's axis could begin to fluctuate more dramatically over long periods. This would lead to significant climate instability, affecting seasons and long-term weather patterns. Another major effect involves tides. The moon is the primary driver of Earth's ocean tides. If the moon's distance increased, the gravitational pull on Earth's oceans would weaken. As a result, tides would become much smaller. Coastal ecosystems that depend on tidal movement would be affected, potentially disrupting marine life, navigation patterns, and coastal environments. If the moon's speed increased enough to escape Earth's gravity entirely, it would leave behind the Earth-Moon system. In that scenario, the moon would become an independent object orbiting the sun. Earth, in turn, would permanently lose its natural satellite. The absence of the moon would also have long-term implications for Earth's rotational stability. Over time, Earth's rotation could become less stable, leading to more extreme variations in climate cycles. Nights would become darker without moonlight, affecting nocturnal wildlife and natural behaviors across many species. In summary, doubling the moon's orbital speed would not simply make it move faster, it would fundamentally alter its orbit, potentially remove it from Earth's gravitational system, and trigger a chain of environmental and astronomical consequences that would gradually reshape conditions on Earth. If videos like this interest you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe.